Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2020 Hyundai Iload van, stock reference number 7415. This shape runs from the 5th month 2012 through to the 3rd month 2021. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front door has 2 small dents, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left rear door has multiple dents. This vehicle sustained damage in the rear end and no parts are available. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, owner's manuals, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel in grey.